Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of affiliate marketplace training. So in this video I'll share with you what are the other main platforms which I personally register as an affiliate. Alright, so they're respectively Bluehost, GetResponse, ClickMagick, ClickFunnels, Udemy. So these are the 5 main platforms. I don't personally recommend Amazon Associates program because of the low commissions that they offer, and honestly I don't feel that it's actually worth my time to actually recommend this. Alright, so let me go into one by one. So Bluehost. Now when you actually go into bluehost.com, so what is Bluehost all about? This is actually a platform for you to start creating your first website, whereby you can actually get your custom domain name and your hosting plan. So Bluehost is actually a web hosting server company. Okay, the cheapest starts at almost $4 per month for a 36-month term. Okay, this is Bluehost. So if you actually want to register as an affiliate, you can see the link over here. And don't worry, it's free to register as an affiliate. Alright, create your own account there, input your payment method, you will get your affiliate link and you can start promoting Bluehost. For GetResponse, this is the one that we talk about during our email marketing module. Now for GetResponse, you can actually find the affiliate link below. Here, affiliate programs. So same thing, when you click on it, you have to create an account with them. Same thing, input your payment methods and you'll get your affiliate link to start promoting GetResponse. Next will be ClickFunnels. So this is one of my personal favorites, my baby, because I really like how Russell Brunson actually makes the entire funnel creation so easy and newbie friendly. Alright, so if you're looking into promoting ClickFunnels, this is the affiliate link here. Yeah, this is the one. So you actually have to create an account with them as well. Okay, then they will provide for you the affiliate link. Now next comes to Udemy. Udemy is a place whereby people find solo ad vendors. Right? So once you register with Udemy, which is free again, you will get your affiliate link over here. But this is generally not the affiliate link that we are looking for. Go into your affiliates tab, click on it. This is the one that you're looking for. Because if you actually are a frequent buyer of solo ads from Udemy platform, you will more or less be able to siphon out who are the good and bad vendors. Okay, who are the useless and the useful vendors per se. When I mean bad vendors, what I'm talking about is there are some unscrupulous vendors who actually send fake clicks, or we'll call them as bot clicks, when buyers actually purchase these clicks. So that makes it a waste of money for them. So your recommended sellers affiliate links are those sellers, those vendors that you have personally used, and you put them under your favorite links. So when you actually recommend Udemy by using this particular affiliate link, when anybody were to register Udemy via your link, straight away they will be able to access who are your recommended sellers. Okay. Now this is very important because it actually helps them to save money in terms of the trial and error of testing out different vendors. And we are talking about thousands of dollars saved by just doing all these trial and errors. Alright. Next, again, ClickMagick. So ClickMagick is a platform whereby it actually allows you to change your link, any form of link, into a tracking link. So it's able to track where this source of traffic actually comes from. Okay, is it from this particular ad set, that ad set, so and so forth. I don't really mean which country they come from per se, but it really depends on how you set up your links. It will actually give you certain data about all these links. Okay. So ClickMagick, if you want to access the affiliate programs, same thing, scroll to the bottom, you will see the affiliate here. Alright. So same thing, register an account with them, input your payment method, and you can actually get your affiliate link straight away. Right, so these are the 5 most common ones. I repeat again: Bluehost, GetResponse, ClickFunnels, Udemy, and ClickMagick. Alright, so these are the 5 most common ones that I use. Now there's several ways to actually promote all these different programs online. One of the method that I use is actually I created a website called sayby9to5.com. I'll share with you guys now. So this is how my website actually looks like. Okay, this is the homepage of my website. So if anybody were to click on, let's say, Bluehost, alright, and hit the search button, straight away they will be greeted with my article. Should I use Bluehost as my website hosting provider? Click into it. They will be able to see my entire content. And this is a hyperlink. So meaning to say, after they read the content, they read the content and they're actually satisfied with using Bluehost, I want to give it a try. So my last paragraph usually have my call to action. Check them up here. So once they click over here, they'll be brought into this Bluehost main page. So what happens now is Bluehost will actually capture this cookie as coming from my affiliate link, and when the person actually purchase any plans with Bluehost, I will get a commission out of it. Alright, so this is how it works. So let me go back again to my website, close that tab. Okay, so having a website is one of the way. Question now is, how do you actually get traffic to your website? Alright, so don't worry so much about that, because we'll be touching more in terms of the traffic training modules subsequently. So over there, I'll share with you all the free and paid methods that you can use. Alright, so get ready for the next video. I will see you there.